In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a vertical scroll navigation in Elementor. We'll start right inside the Elementor editor, so go ahead and open any page you want to work on. This can be an existing page or a brand new one. Once the editor loads, you'll see the main canvas area in the middle with a message that says drag widget here. This is where we'll build our layout. Just above that area, you'll see a row of icons. Look for the plus icon, which lets you add a new section. Click that plus icon, and when Elementor asks you what kind of structure you want, choose a flexbox layout with 2 columns. Ideally, pick a layout where the left column is a bit narrower than the right one. The left column will become your vertical navigation, and the right column will hold your page content. Now, click the plus icon inside the left column. On the left-hand panel, use the search bar or scroll until you find the WordPress menu widget. Drag that widget into the left column. Once it's placed, look at the widget settings on the left panel. Under the Content tab, find the Layout option and change it from horizontal to vertical. This simple switch transforms your regular menu into a vertical navigation bar. Next, we want this menu to stay visible while visitors scroll down the page. To do that, go to the Advanced tab for this menu widget. Scroll until you find the Motion Effects section and click to expand it. Here, you'll see an option labeled Sticky. Set Sticky to top. This tells Elementor to keep the menu stuck to the top of the screen as the user scrolls, creating that fixed vertical navigation effect. To see how this works in context, let's add some content to the right column. Click the plus icon inside the right column, then choose any widgets you like from the left panel. For example, you could add headings, text, images, or sections to build out your page. Just drag them into the right column and stack them vertically so you have enough content to scroll. When you have some content in place, preview the page by scrolling up and down in the editor. You should see that the vertical menu in the left column stays in place, while the content on the right moves. If everything looks good, go to the top right corner of the editor and click Update, or Publish if this is a new page. That's it. You've created a vertical scroll navigation in Elementor.